Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can add someone on Zangi. In order to do so, here we are in the Zangi app for iOS. If you do the same thing here in Android, it's relatively similar. The iOS is just a bigger interface, but all you're looking for is on the right-hand side at the bottom, you're going to see this contacts option. We're going to go ahead and click on that. And then from there, you could see that you have all of your contacts here in your device, but also you can press the plus sign here up at the top and you can add somebody by putting their name and also adding their Zangi number. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If you want to click on invite on any of your contacts, then you can do that as well. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.